Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Facebook password. The way to see your Facebook password is quite simple. Regardless of your device, you need to install the Facebook app. Anyone can easily understand and try this method. However, before moving forward, we recommend that your linked email or mobile number is operational. So once you're in your Facebook account, you have to head over to your hamburger menu, and once you're there, you will scroll down and see the settings and privacy option. Go for it, and here go to settings, and here you can see a Meta Account Center, an option under Meta Account Center. Go for it. And in account settings option, there is an option password and security. Tap on it. If you already remember your password, you can change it using the change password option. And you can also make two-factor authentication for your account. And yeah, that's it. That was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye!